Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just got my hands on the UniFi UXG Max and the USW 8 Lite PoE. And if you are looking for an efficient and compact UniFi setup, this combo might be perfect for you. Let me show you why. So the USW 8 Lite PoE and the UXG Max, both devices are already unboxed. So let me show you the ports of it. So this is the USW 8 Lite PoE. It got 8 ports. Out of that, 4 ports are the PoE Plus and 4 ports are just the Ethernet port 1 gig. And on the box, if you check here, let me show you. It got this power adapter, and on the back you see it input says 54 volt up to 1.1 ampere, so that will be used here. And this is a power cord, and this will be connected on the socket. And for the UXG Max, let me unwrap this and show you the ports and the differences. So this is the UXG Max, as you can see here. This is the WAN port 5, port number 5, which is the WAN port, and it got 2.5 gig Ethernet interfaces, and all the ports are also, as you can see here, it is written 2.5G, and this is the Type C power adapter. I mean, you can power the Type C here, and this is the reset button here top. And here at the front you will see one LED glows if you power the UXG Max, and if you adopt it, it will show the blue. So it's I mean, very compact size as compared to the UCG Ultra. Also, it does not only this is missing the LCM screen. Other than that, all the 5 port are 2.5 gig, and the WAN port is also, so you can use a WAN port, and WAN, this is the primary, and you can remap the port 4 as a WAN 2. You can remap as secondary WAN 2 as a failover. So this was the overview of these two devices. So I will just go ahead and I will just set up the UXG Max and the USW 8 Lite PoE. And one more thing, for the Wi-Fi, I will show you. I will add the UniFi Express, which will be acting as a just access point, not as a router. Here you can see my temporary connection for the setup. So right now this is the UXG Max I have powered on, and this USW 8 Lite PoE, and this is the UniFi Express, which will be acting as an access point only. And this WAN cable is directly connected from that USW Flex Mini 2.5G, as you can see here. So this WAN will be the DHCP only. So just for testing purpose, I don't have other ISP. So for this testing, I have connected the cable from the Flex Mini 2.5G port 1 to the WAN port of the UXG Max, and from here the port 1 is connected to the USW 8 Lite PoE, and port number 5 is connected to the UniFi Express. I think I have to reset the UniFi Express also, so to get it working. So I will sort it out. I will show you the first time adoption of the UXG Max, USW 8 Lite PoE, and here similarly for the UniFi Express. So this is my connection, pretty straightforward. So I have connected all the devices on the same network, the UXG Max, the USW Lite 8 PoE, and the UniFi Express, or as an access point. So I've connected, so I can adopt it through the UniFi app. So let me open the UniFi app and see, does it shows up here or not. So you can see here it shows up here as a Gateway Max. I will click on setup. Now it will ask me select a UniFi network application. So I will try to adopt these UXG Max on the Hostify. So right now you can see here it says I will click on Hostify. I click on proceed, and I think I have to create a new site for that, which I have not. So it is saying me you have to choose these devices for adoption. So I will add a new site as UXG Max. We'll create that. I will choose this site and adopting the Gateway Max on that site. Once it is adopted, I will show you the screen on the desktop. So you can see the Gateway Max has adopted and the other device is pending adoption. So let me hop over to the desktop and I will show you there. So you have seen that the UXG Max was adopted using the UniFi network app. So right now I am on the UniFi site manager. As you can see, the site has been created here. So I will go to that site first, and the site you will see the Gateway Max is adopted. As you can see, it is showing up this IP address 1.1. As you know, the default IP address is 1.1, and the USW8 Lite PoE is also connected on the same network. So it's pretty straightforward. You can just go ahead and adopt it. Once that is adopted, I will show you the setup of the UniFi Express as an access point and see. Let's see, I've already reset the as you can see, it is resetting. So let's wait for it to complete the reset first. So let's talk about the Gateway Max. As you can see, the Gateway Max, all 5 ports are 2.5 gig. WAN port port number 5 is also 2. You can remap port number 4 as a failover. So here under the under the port manager, you can check here right now. You can set these as a different VLAN to WAN 2. So right now you can see the internet source is here. So internet 2 is here right now. You can connect. So it is disabled, but if you want, you can just enable it as a port number 4 as your WAN 2. So there was an error saving internet settings. So the UXG Max and the USW8 Lite PoE both are adopted, and both Gateway Max and the USW8 Lite PoE is asking for an update. So I will update those two devices later, but you should update this because these UXG Max out of the box come with a very old version. Right now we are running on the 4.1 something on the UXG gateways, and similarly for the 8 Lite PoE, it is running quite old firmware version 6.4.9, but you have seen that it's pretty straightforward, shows up here on the controller for pending adoption. And I'm not sure about this one. This is the UniFi Express. Let's check on the here the UniFi Express port manager. Does it shows up here or not? Yeah, you can see. So I will check that later on, but you have seen that I have successfully adopted the UXG Max and the USW8 Lite PoE. I will check into the UniFi Express. I don't have any other access point, so I've shown you on these setups, but this is a compact and very compact and efficient setup on the UniFi, considering the UXG Max, because all 5 port you get 2.5G, and the USW8 Lite PoE is also quite good switch. Small form factor. 4 port are the PoE plus, and the 4 port are just the Ethernet 1 gig LAN port. So it's quite a good setup for a small users and who don't want such rack mounted devices on the. This is a desktop mounted, and all the material is polycarbonate, and it's quite easy to adopt. As you have seen that I have just adopted through the UniFi network app on the Hostify, and when I went to the site manager and accessed that site, I saw the USW8 Lite PoE as pending adoption. So the setup is quite easy, or if you go for the UXG Max also, as well as the USW8 Lite PoE. So I think that's it for the today's video. I hope you will like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can comment down. I'm reading all the comments. Thanks.